Hello everyone students, my name is Yafis Ali from Knowledge Group Khamba and I'll be taking your maths for this whole year. Okay, so we'll enjoy that. Now I'm taking the first chapter, okay, which is named as Knowing Our Numbers chapter. Okay, हमारे numbers पहचानो. So you must be aware, okay, of basically इंडियन सिस्टम. शायद इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम क्या है वो सब चीज को नहीं पता होगा. Ascending order, descending order, okay, these things would be coming here. Okay, so we'll study this greatest number, smallest number. Okay, so we'll be studying these things first of all in this 1.1 exercise जो है उससे पहले जो हम पढ़ेंगे, that is these basic thing. First of all, just brush up करते हैं. Okay, so first of all I take this from practice. Use the given digits without repetition and make the greatest and smallest 4-digit and 6-digit number. यहाँ पे 4 digit है और यहाँ पे 6 digit number है, उस हिसाब से हमको नंबर अरेंज करना है to make the greatest and smallest. Okay, and that too without repetition. चलते हैं, repeat नहीं करना कोई नंबर मुझे. Okay. Now first one example में दे रहा हूँ, which is 2, 2, 8, 7, 4. How many digits are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. Okay. Now greatest number. तो greatest number में पहले सबसे पहले greatest number कौन सा है इधर? 8, 7. Then comes 4. Then okay. Greatest number की और बड़े से छोटा मुझे लेना है. तो बड़ा कौन सा है सबसे पहले? 8, 7, 4. This is the greatest number. अब smallest, उसका opposite ऊंधा. 2, 4, 7, 8. यह हमारा smallest number. Next example 4, 5, 0, 8. Okay. अब इसका greatest number कौन सा है? यहाँ पे 8. Then comes छोटा से 5. Then comes 4 and lastly 0. Now उसका ऊंधा मैं करूं, सर ऊंधा तो सर 0 से स्टार्ट होगा. नहीं, अगर 0 से स्टार्ट होगा तो 0 स्टार्टिंग में काउंट नहीं होगा. That means only 3 digit हो जाएंगे. So I don't want 3 digits. That's why 0 पहले नहीं आएगा. 0 will not come first in the smallest digit. So I will take, which is the next number? 4. Then comes 0. Then comes 5. And lastly, this is the smallest number. Okay, children? Same way for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit number. Here, which is the greatest number in here? 9. Then 8, yes. 7, 6, 5, and इसका ऊंधा कर दो. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. ठीक है children? Lastly this, here also 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit number is there. Okay, so 9. Then comes 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And opposite of that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Okay, so this was our greatest and smallest number. Now arrange in ascending and descending. Now children, ascending यानी क्या? बड़े से छोटा. ये छोटे से बड़ा. I will explain. Ascending means what? Ascending यानी बढ़ रहा है. So remember children, कितने लोग ये mistakes करते हैं? Ascending means what? From smaller to bigger. छोटे से बड़ा, छोटे से बड़ा. बराबर? So for ascending, smaller digits would come first, then okay, eventually bigger digits. The same way, descending order, opposite of that, बड़े से छोटा. Okay, from bigger digit to smaller digits. Okay. So here now, first of all, we count the number of digits. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. सभी 4 digits है. Okay. सिवाय इसके. So that means this is going to be the bigger one. Okay. सबसे बड़ा digit यही हुआ. उसका सबसे लास्ट में कितना है? चलो देख लेंगे. अब जो करना है मुझे बात इन चार में से करना है. You have to select from the 4 which is the smaller one first. Okay, which is the smaller one first. So we'll start from this left hand side. यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 9 है, 2 है. So which is the smaller one, children? 2. Okay. चलो, these are both with 2, 2. So I'll go to the next digit, which is 6 here. This is 0. Who is the smaller one? 0, 6. 0 is the smaller one. So I'll pick this. So this will be the first number. 2019 is the smallest digit. Then eventually comes with next 2, 6, 8, 9. Right here, 2. Okay, 7 or 9. Which is smaller? 7 or 9? 7. 7, 5, 3, 2. Okay, then comes 9, 6, 2, 8, and lastly 4, 2, 1, 2. Okay, अब descending order इसका होगा. ठीक है? Means the bigger one comes first. That means 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 0. Then 9, 6, 2, 8, 2, 8. 7, 5, 3, 2. 2, 6, 8, 9. And lastly 2, 0, 1. Okay? Last example for this. 5, 6, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? ये सभी 1, 2, 3, 5 digits के हैं. सिर्फ यही 4 digits का है. Ascending order है, remember. Okay, A means what? Ascending order I have written in the short form actually, and B is descending order. Ascending order means what? Again, छोटे से बड़ा. Which is the smaller one here? This one, सबसे smaller one है 5, 6, 3, 2. Then comes, okay, these all are 5 digits. Okay, so 5 digits में सबसे smaller ढूंढना है मुझे. 2 है, 4 है. 4 है, 4, 2, 2. This is the first digit. Okay, so which is the smaller one? 2, 2, 0, 0, 1. Then comes these two. अब इसमें से ये दो सेम है, so I'll get to the next number. Here it is 6, here it is 8. Which is the smaller one? 6 or 8? 6 is the smaller one. So this one 4, 6, 9, 0, 2, and lastly 4, 8, 2, 3, 1. इसका ऊंधा हो गया. Descending order 4, 8, 2, 3, 1. 4, 6, 9, 0, 2. 2, 0, 0, 1, 2. And lastly 5, 6, 3. So this is how we do the ascending order and descending order. Okay, children, we have seen this greatest and smallest digit numbers. Okay, arranging that and the arrangement of the ascending order and descending order. Next, we will see your basically very important thing. Okay, Indian system and international system. Okay.